There's one more natural product I want to share with you as part of 30 Ways in 30 Days for Migraine Management that I think you'll love. So this natural product is actually an herb, and you probably already use it in your kitchen. So can you guess what it is? It's actually rosemary. So you know those beautiful sprigs of rosemary? I love rosemary with roasted potatoes, by the way. So what is it about rosemary that can benefit migraine? Well, it has a particular chemical called rosmarinic acid. And this particular chemical is thought to be neuroprotective, but also anti-inflammatory and also an antioxidant. So it's got a lot of great benefits. So yes, rosemary has been studied in migraine. There was one study that showed that people who took a rosemary extract had reduced frequency and severity of migraine, but also not only can it benefit migraine, rosemary has been extensively studied for brain health, and it's been shown to improve memory as well as cognitive performance. So if you have migraine, why not add some rosemary? Because not only will hopefully your migraine symptoms be better, but also you'll be benefiting your brain health. So how can you do rosemary? Well, you can definitely put it in your cooking. You can do it as an extract, as a tea, which is a non-caffeinated form of tea. You can do aromatherapy. You can use rosemary oil, put it in an inhaler, or you can take a supplement. And because I was so convinced by all the studies with rosemary and brain health, I actually decided to put rosemary in my migraine supplement called Calm. And this has magnesium, riboflavin, rosemary,